We're staying in our ground floor plan rev5.dwg file, and we're going to take a quick look at how hide and isolate allow you to change the properties of the drawing to work more easily in AutoCAD. I've done a zoom extents on the drawing in the model tab. We're now going to zoom in on the restroom area over here on the left hand side. Just get your crosshair over it, roll up on the wheel of the mouse a little bit, and maybe pan across to the center of the screen. Now, hide and isolate are incredibly useful because they hide objects and isolate objects for you to work on. Now, if I click, say, about here, left click once, drag my window selection across like so to about, say, there, try and get that door in, there we go, and left click again, all those objects are now selected. And I might want to work on the walls and the doors only. So I can right click, go to isolate and hide those objects. So now I can work on the doors and the walls quickly and easily. Once I've done that, I just right click, go to isolate again and end the object isolation. Now it may be that I want to get rid of everything else and just work on the restrooms, the polar opposite of what I've just done. So I can do the same again. I can click up here, just do a window selection, get everything selected that I want to work on. So it might just be those bits there. Let's take that across there. Then we get the equal number of lines like so. And this time I right click, go to isolate, and I isolate the objects. And I can now work quickly and easily on those. And when I'm done, it's a case of right clicking, going to isolate and ending the object isolation again. That's hide and isolate in a nutshell. Very quick and easy to use. Just makes your drawing that much easier to work with when you're editing properties and objects in AutoCAD.